Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, March 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar CAD, I still think this is a wave A, or possibly a 1. I still think this is 3 waves up for a B, or maybe a 2. I still think it is going to more than likely go down to complete a downtrend for a wave C. Maybe it's a wave 3, but I think it's more likely a wave C, and at this point in the pattern, it's definitely not important to know whether you're looking at a wave C or a wave 3 because either scenario should lead to a pretty big downtrend. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, on the weekly it's definitely still going up, but I do think that this move down is still a wave 1. I still think this move up is a wave 2. I still think it's going to bounce off one of these last two fib levels, which I don't know which one, but price will definitely tell us when it is ending a correction and continuing back down for a wave 3, most likely a wave 3 of wave C. So let's take a look at it on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, to me, this looks extremely overlapping, and it really looks like a correction. This is definitely a trend over here. I think it's a 1. Very overlapping ABC type pattern, most likely still a wave C. It could still drift up quite a bit more, even all the way to the 78.6 pretty easily, but I do think at some point, one of these two Fibonacci levels will hold, and it will end the correction, end the wave 2, and continue down for the big wave 3. But until that actually happens, you should probably be looking for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, it kind of looked like a lot of the dollar pairs were going to push down, but this one's still pretty strong, so I don't know if it's really going to. Most of the dollar pairs look like they're going to go down and make an ABC correction. This one definitely could end up doing that also, maybe go down to one of these lower fib levels before it actually does keep on trending up. Whether or not it does go down and make this ABC or not, I guess it doesn't really matter because either way, I'm definitely looking for longs in a uptrend at the end of pullbacks. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, most of the dollar pairs do look like they want to go down, and I would definitely say that this looks more like a trend than a correction. This move up kind of looks like a trend too, so I'm not really sure if I would try to go short now, but if it does break structure to the downside, then you could definitely look for shorts. I would probably tell you that, or probably confirm that this is going down for wave C. If you do not get that break of structure to the downside, then I would actually keep on looking for longs, especially on time frames shorter than the 1 hour time frame. And it may just keep on trending up pretty easily. And the trend is up on all the higher time frames, so do be aware that it looks like it should make a wave C before it continues up, but it could just keep on trending up pretty easily. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my new website linked down here below. As always, thanks and happy trading.